Hello and welcome to another Solos demos feature. My name is Ala Haddad. I am the developer for the Solo theme. And this demo, I'm going to talk about the new date format, where you use it and why you use it. As you see here, this is three type of date, and I give an example how they're going to print. If I go to the site, really and visit, this is not the default of the Drupal date site. So this is the date, it's custom and it's built in the theme. So if I change it to this one, to the short, the default one is the long one, and the short, if I click save and refresh the page, you see this is the small one. So the new date format, and also same thing, you will see it on the default. So it's there is no custom node or anything. This is just straightforward customization inside the new template. So if you like that feature, it's very straightforward and it's very helpful. For some sites, they like to print uh, uh, this type of date, or the time and the time zone and the date and all the stuff. I thought it's very useful feature. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.